Hi YouTube, I'm gonna show you different type of shaving product today. I have the shave gel, shaving foam, shaving cream non-lather. This is the shaving soap, shaving cream in the tube, and I'm gonna put it into the lathering machine. I will show you the texture and how it works with the brush and also with the machines. This shave gel comes with many different colors, and you can find one that is like around $7 to $15. A lot of people like it clear because they can see what they're doing when they do the shave, especially for their hairline when they want to do a line up or just a beard cleanup, so they don't end up mess up the line and shave up the whole thing. So clear is the best one to go. This is what it's like. This one is very smooth. This gel, you don't need to add any water. You just put it on and work your razor on the skin, and it's very pliable, almost like the aloe vera gel. If you shaving a big area, you want to put a small area by small area because it can dry up quickly and you don't want to end up putting more gel afterward. This one I got from Dollar Tree for the video. You're supposed to shake it a little bit and then spray it on. It's very foamy, it's very white and very lathery. I think it's very difficult to see what's underneath, especially for people that have the acne or pimple or any bump underneath the shaving cream. Here I have the non-lather shaving cream. This one I got it for $12, and this is a higher end brand. It's by JS Sloan. I believe this one is butter based. Both of them are non-lather, and I'm taking a little bit out. This one is like butter. I use this kind at the barber shop to shave for my customer, and normally I would add water to keep the moisture last longer, so it doesn't dry on me by the time I get to the area. And it can get annoying if it does dry too fast and you have to shave big area, like one or two passes. And water will help with this kind of shaving cream a lot. And here is the other one from a different brand. This one is very like butter as well. This one is super smooth. I do believe with this type of shaving cream, you still have to constantly adding water and clean the shaving cream off your razor so it doesn't clog it between the blade. But both are very good. This one smells very luxurious. This one smells more like minty, eucalyptus type. Here I have shaving soap. It's normally come in a jar. It's very hard and stiff. You have to use a brush like this, dip into like warm water and put a few drops in here, and you have to swirl it back and forth until it start to latherize. And as you can see, it can take a minute or so to get it out, and I probably need a little bit more water. This one is more for personal use. You really don't see people use these at the barber shop except like the old school way back in the day. And as you can see, look how nice it foam up. I don't recommend if you share with someone when you put your brush in a bowl like this. If you want to share with someone, you can just scoop out, take out a little bit and place it into a bowl and work the same way, just using the bowl instead. That way there's no bacteria or any unsanitary get inside the soap itself. And you just put it on the area where you want to shave it. It's really nice if you do it for yourself and you want to get into traditional shaving. You appreciate your shave more because you really put your work into lathering the shaving cream. And these you can keep it for your next shave. You don't have to rinse off water or anything because it's only for you. I have the shaving cream in the tube like this one. It's Paraso. This is Aco. These kind you can also use it inside a cup and then do what I did just now with the brush. But today I decided to put into the lathering machine. So this lathering machine will keep the shaving cream warm. Pour some distilled water into the machine and add about a quarter size of the shaving cream. That's enough right there. Mix it well and let it sit and get warm for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna show you how the shaving cream come out. It's super warm and oh my god, it feels so good. Look at this. This kind of machine you can find it around 150 to 250, and I only use this machine for the hot towel. It makes your client feel like they're coming into a spa. The customer will appreciate and remember the experience they have with you when you do the shave on them. I highly recommend it if you're working a barber shop to invest into the lather machine. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the video.